Hello, and welcome back to the Skin Savvy podcast. I'm Dr. Claire, and today we are diving deep into the molecular biology of one of the most fascinating and scientifically validated ingredients in modern skincare. We are talking about copper peptides, and specifically the advanced formulation of our OptoDerm Copper Peptide Serum. If you are a skincare professional, you have undoubtedly heard the buzz about copper peptides, but as clinicians, we need to look past the marketing hype and understand the actual cellular mechanisms. What exactly are they doing at the dermal level, and why are they so critical for skin remodeling? Let us start with the biochemistry. The specific copper peptide we use is CuGHK. That stands for glycyl L-histidyl L-lysine complexed with copper. This is not a synthetic chemical cooked up in a lab. CuGHK is a naturally occurring tripeptide found right in human plasma, saliva, and urine. It's an endogenous molecule that our bodies already know exactly how to use. When we're young, around age 20, the concentration of CuGHK in our blood is relatively high, but by the time we reach 60, those levels plummet significantly. This decline correlates directly with our skin's reduced ability to heal, regenerate, and maintain its structural integrity as we age. So, what does CuGHK actually do when applied topically? It's essentially a master signaling molecule. Think of it as a conductor in an orchestra, upregulating and downregulating specific genes to tell your skin cells exactly what to do to repair and rebuild. First and foremost, it's a powerful stimulator of the extracellular matrix. Clinical studies show that CuGHK stimulates dermal fibroblasts to significantly increase the synthesis of collagen types 1, 3, and 4. Type 3 is often called youth collagen because it's abundant in young skin but degrades rapidly as we age. By upregulating type 3 collagen, we're fundamentally shifting the skin back toward a more youthful structural profile. Crucially, CuGHK also inhibits matrix metalloproteinases, or MMPs, which are the enzymes responsible for breaking down collagen and elastin. This dual action, stimulating new collagen synthesis while simultaneously protecting existing collagen from degradation, is a powerful mechanism for reversing the visible signs of aging. But it doesn't stop there. CuGHK also stimulates the production of elastin and glycosaminoglycans like hyaluronic acid within the dermis. Additionally, CuGHK provides a critical cofactor function. Copper is an essential cofactor for lysyl oxidase, an enzyme that cross-links collagen and elastin molecules. These cross-links are essential for the structural integrity and mechanical properties of the skin. Without proper cross-linking, new collagen is weak and disorganized. By providing bioavailable copper, CuGHK ensures optimal collagen and elastin cross-linking. This means you're getting structural support from the collagen and elastin network, plus deep intrinsic hydration and plumpness from the increased hyaluronic acid synthesis. Now, here's where our formulation stands apart. We don't just rely on CuGHK, we formulated the serum with a powerful synergistic peptide, palmitoyl tripeptide 38. This specific tripeptide is derived from KMK, a naturally occurring tripeptide found in collagen 6 and laminins. It's renowned for its ability to stimulate the synthesis of multiple constituents of the skin matrix and the dermal-epidermal junction. When you combine CuGHK with palmitoyl tripeptide 38, you create a comprehensive synergistic cascade. CuGHK focuses on collagen synthesis, MMP regulation, and copper cofactor provision for cross-linking. Palmitoyl tripeptide 38 emphasizes glycosaminoglycan and proteoglycan synthesis and specifically targets the dermal-epidermal junction, improving the structural cohesion between the skin layers. Together, they address all major components of the extracellular matrix. This combination results in a far more profound improvement in skin firmness, elasticity, and wrinkle reduction than either peptide could achieve alone. Let's move on to wound healing, because this is where copper peptides truly shine in a clinical setting. CuGHK accelerates the entire healing cascade. It enhances the migration of keratinocytes, which is essential for re-epithelialization. It promotes angiogenesis, establishing new blood vessel networks to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the healing tissue, and it supports the formation of new connective tissue that rebuilds the skin after injury. This is exactly why our Copper Peptide Serum is an absolute must-have post-procedure. If your client has just had microneedling, a chemical peel, or a laser treatment, applying this serum accelerates the healing process, reduces downtime, and maximizes the regenerative results of the treatment. It's the ultimate recovery serum. Furthermore, CuGHK also provides significant antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. It has documented antioxidant properties that neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress-induced skin damage. It also reduces pro-inflammatory cytokines, supporting a healthier skin microenvironment. Additionally, CuGHK stimulates the production of transforming growth factor beta, or TGF-beta, and other growth factors that promote skin regeneration and healing. Our Copper Peptide Serum is formulated at a 3% concentration of CuGHK. This is not arbitrary. Clinical research has demonstrated that peptide concentrations below 2% show minimal efficacy, while concentrations much above 3% do not provide proportionally greater benefits and may in fact increase the risk of irritation. The 3% concentration is optimized for maximum efficacy, bioavailability, formulation stability, and cost-effectiveness. But here's what truly sets our formulation apart: our proprietary Penetrix transdermal delivery system. This advanced delivery technology significantly enhances the penetration and bioavailability of CuGHK and palmitoyl tripeptide 38, allowing these actives to reach the target cells in the dermis at concentrations far beyond what conventional serums can achieve. This is not just a serum, it's a precision delivery system. To summarize, our OptoDerm Copper Peptide Serum is a multi-pathway powerhouse designed for serious clinical results. By combining the master signaling of CuGHK with the targeted matrix stimulation of palmitoyl tripeptide 38 and leveraging our Penetrix delivery technology, it addresses all major components of the extracellular matrix. It rebuilds collagen and elastin, stimulates glycosaminoglycans and proteoglycans, deeply hydrates, accelerates post-procedure healing, and provides potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory protection. It's a true cornerstone of any advanced anti-aging or skin remodeling protocol. Clinical results show initial improvements in skin hydration and radiance within 1 to 2 weeks. Visible improvements in fine lines, skin texture, and firmness typically appear within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use, with maximal results at 12 to 16 weeks of consistent use. So, how do you instruct your clients to use it? Our Copper Peptide Serum is a lightweight, elegant formulation. They should apply it after tensing and any lighter serums like our HA serum, but before their moisturizer. However, there's one critical rule you must emphasize. They must not use our Copper Peptide Serum in the same routine as our L-ascorbic acid vitamin C serums like the vitamin C FPB or vitamin C 18. Why? 2 biochemical reasons. First, the low pH required to keep L-ascorbic acid stable can actually destabilize the copper peptide complex. Second, ascorbic acid can chelate or bind with the copper ion, rendering both the vitamin C and the peptide less effective. The solution is simple: stagger them. Instruct your clients to use their vitamin C serum in the morning for that daytime antioxidant protection against UV and pollution, and use the copper peptide serum in the evening for
overnight dermal repair and remodeling. Now, if they're using our vitamin C SAP serum, which uses sodium ascorbyl phosphate, they have more flexibility. Because SAP has a neutral pH, it's much more forgiving and can be used alongside copper peptides without the same destabilization issues. Thank you for joining me today to explore the science of copper peptides. As always, if you have any questions about incorporating this into your clinical practice, please reach out to our team. Until next time, take care of your skin and remember, your skin is your story. Make it a beautiful one.